Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Sunrisers Hyderabad and RCB clash in the eliminator of the playoffs. The winner of this match will progress to the qualifier 2 of this season. The stakes rises for both the teams as a loss will result in an elimination. Here is the Fantasy 11 for this match. AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers has been the most important player for RCB for a long time now. Rightfully called Mr. 360, he can smash the ball all over the park and he looks to be in great touch this season. He has a massive strike rate in the death overs and he plays really well under pressure. This makes him our first pick. Wriddhiman Saha. Wriddhiman Saha has made an impact on the team as soon as he was given a chance to play. He has looked to be in great touch in just 4 matches and he has also played a match-winning 87. His ability to win the game for Sunrisers Hyderabad with the bat makes him our second pick. Devdutt Padikkal. The young Devdutt Padikkal has shown a lot of maturity as an opener this season. His attacking playstyle and his judgment of loose balls makes him a tough batsman to bowl to. He has been in great form this season and just like the previous games, he will be looking to score more runs to see his team through. This makes him our third pick. Manish Pandey. Manish Pandey has been a dependable middle-order batsman for Sunrisers Hyderabad ever since he joined the franchise. He has big hitting potential and he has played promising knocks this season. He is also a live wire on the field. He would create a massive impact on this game if given a chance and this makes him our fourth pick. David Warner. David Warner has constantly been one of the top scorers in the IPL for a few seasons now. His strike rate is good and he has the ability to single-handedly win games for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He can also play deadly knocks and win games alongside Wriddhiman Saha, which makes him the perfect captain for our Fantasy 11 and also our fifth pick. Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar has been a decent bowler for Royal Challengers Bangalore in the recent past. With the team being on winning ways this season and his economy rate of being as low as 5.77 this season, he will be more confident to bowl against the explosive batsmen of Sunrisers Hyderabad. This year, spinners have created a massive impact on games and he could do the job for Royal Challengers Bangalore alongside Yuzvendra Chahal. This makes him our sixth pick. Chris Morris. Chris Morris showed a glimpse of what he is capable of in the previous games that he has played. His economy rate of just 6.33 this season is great and he is swinging the new ball and also looks to be in great rhythm. He also has the potential to strike the ball a long way and will thus be a player to be watched out for as he can be a match winner for Royal Challengers Bangalore. This makes him our seventh pick. Jason Holder. Jason Holder's inclusion in the Sunrisers Hyderabad side has made the team look more stable. He strikes at a massive 172 and has already picked 10 wickets in the 5 games that he has played so far. He has the ability to win the game with both the bat and the ball for Sunrisers Hyderabad and this makes him our 8th pick. Yuzvendra Chahal. The Bangalore leggy Yuzvendra Chahal has been the highest wicket taker for Royal Challengers Bangalore this season so far. With 20 wickets to his name already, with an economy rate of just 7.16, he will be threatening to face as any batsman. His leg spinners will be the ones to be watched out for, as he has played a massive role in Royal Challengers Bangalore's qualification for playoffs this season. This thus makes him our vice captain and also the ninth pick of our 11. Sandeep Sharma. Sandeep Sharma has been a decent form this season. After the rough start that he had to this season, he has picked up 13 wickets in his 10 games and he has a low economy rate of just 7.34. He holds the record for the most wickets in power play overs and he swings the ball both the ways. He will pose a threat to the batsmen of Royal Challengers Bangalore. This makes him our 10th pick. Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan's unpredictable bowling makes him a massive threat. His googlies are deceptive and he is a match winner with the ball. He can also play some destructive cameos in the lower order for his team, and this only adds up to the value that he has on the SRH squad. His economy rate is just too good this season and this makes him our final pick. These were the 11 players who we believe will make the highest impact on this game. Each of these players have the potential to win the game for their teams and take away some fantasy points to their names. Who do you think will walk out with the highest fantasy points and which team do you think will progress to the next round from this match? Let us know down below.